want to make a volcano, this is how you start. You need to make one of these, which has got two cardboard boxes.
A base.
For the base.
And then stick a bottle where?
To the bottle in the bigger one.
And is that where the lava's going to go?
Yeah? Make sure you cut it up really tight. And then pull it somewhere to build the tower.
Go! What are you doing now, Theo?
I'm putting the base on.
Making a structure to the volcano with masking tape.
Yes, I am. Make a paper map now.
That's it, strips of paper for the paper mache. Go.
Get a cup of flour and get a cup of water.
To make the paste,
Yes, and make some wet apron because this is very
put the
messy.
flour in.
And put the flour in to a big bowl.
Then a bit of water.
Get a bit of water and then pour it in
Then mix it all up.
and then mix it all up.
Perfect. Right.
That's a slimy paste.
Right, have we done the first layer? And is it hard?
Yes.
And next we're going to do another layer and we're going to use what colour paper?
Well, we are the holes you are going to fill in with some more.
These big holes here, yeah, we need to do those holes.
Yes, you'll check around it when it's dry, and then it will be hard, and then just stick some newspaper on it, and then with a mixer.
And then finish it off with the brown.
Yes, and then finishing off with the brown. It doesn't have to be all around it.
Okay, right, bye.
Goodbye. The next part is painting it.
What colour are you painting it?
Gold.
Oh, we're going to have a gold volcano.
But do some lines.
To paint it red
um,
for the lava.
to paint it red of lava.
Right, paint the bottom then, Theo.
Next we are going to make a waterproof with PVA glue.
PVA glue, making it waterproof. So, here's the glue. We've put it in a pot already. And we're going to paint it.
To make it waterproof like this.
Good. Do it nice and gently. We're testing the lava mixture. So we have vinegar and bicarbonate of soda. Now there's the vinegar for Theo to hold. You mix it in, Theo, and see if it bubbles up. Oh yeah, that bubbles up. Did it all bubble up?
Yes.
Do you think we can use that then for the lava?
So I think we need to add a bit of red into it. Then a bit more vinegar.
Right, okay.
We are going to go to a soft tube, but this is for the lava. We have yellow lava. It's better for the filter.
Oh yeah. And then 3 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda.
3 teaspoons.
1.
1.
Then another 2. Vinegar.
The vinegar and yellow.
And a little bit of washing up liquid.
Yes.
Gonna make it all in this cup.
Yes.
No, point it downwards. That's it, yeah. You were squirting me then.
Mix it so the yellow blends into it.
And then, for the grand finale, put it into the golden volcano. And then we'll watch it erupt. Pour it all in, then we'll move this out of the way. Whoa! Look at the volcano erupting. It's all coming down the sides. Whoa. It's a good job we coated it, because it's all waterproof. There we go.